If you're considering pursuing an MBA in 2025, one of the most important decisions you'll face is choosing the right specialization. The business landscape is evolving rapidly, driven by technology, sustainability, globalization, and new ways of working. Employers are no longer just looking for generalists with broad management knowledge. Instead, they want professionals with targeted expertise who can immediately add value in high-growth areas. In this video, we'll explore the most in-demand MBA specializations in 2025, why they're important, and how they can shape your career path. Let's start with the first specialization, artificial intelligence and data analytics. In 2025, AI and analytics have become the backbone of decision-making across industries. Businesses rely on data to improve efficiency, understand customers, and create predictive strategies. This specialization trains you in artificial intelligence applications, machine learning, data visualization, and ethical use of technology. For example, Wharton Business School has announced a full MBA major in artificial intelligence starting in the fall of 2025, covering deep learning, governance, and practical applications. According to reports, over one-third of future MBA graduates are expected to pursue AI, data science, or technology management tracks. This demand is fueled by companies needing leaders who can bridge the gap between advanced technology and business strategy. Next, we have sustainability, ESG, and green business. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It's an essential strategy for modern companies. From climate change to energy transitions, businesses are under pressure to operate responsibly. MBA programs in this field cover environmental, social, and governance principles, sustainable finance, and green supply chain management. Employers are eager to hire graduates who can help them meet regulatory requirements, manage corporate responsibility, and align profitability with sustainability goals. Leading business schools worldwide are embedding ESG concepts directly into their core MBA courses, reflecting the growing recognition that future leaders must be prepared to address global challenges. Another specialization rising in demand is healthcare management. The global healthcare industry is undergoing major transformation, driven by digital technologies, an aging population, and the lessons learned from the pandemic. MBA graduates with healthcare expertise are sought after for leadership roles in hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, health tech startups, and policy organizations. These programs teach not just management fundamentals, but also healthcare-specific areas such as operations, regulatory frameworks, and patient-centered innovation. With healthcare continuing to expand as one of the world's largest industries, graduates from this specialization enjoy stable career prospects and meaningful impact. Financial technology, also known as FinTech, is another hot specialization in 2025. Traditional finance has merged with digital innovations such as blockchain, mobile banking, cryptocurrency, and regulatory technology. An MBA in FinTech prepares students to manage financial systems in this new digital-first environment. As more businesses and governments adopt digital payments and decentralized finance platforms, FinTech professionals are increasingly valuable. Career opportunities range from investment banking and consulting to startups focusing on financial innovation. Moving on, digital marketing and e-commerce remain highly in demand. With online shopping and digital platforms dominating consumer behavior, businesses need leaders who understand search engine optimization, data-driven marketing, social media strategy, and user experience. An MBA in digital marketing equips you with the ability to design campaigns that reach global audiences while analyzing data to maximize return on investment. As e-commerce continues to expand, professionals who can connect marketing strategies with business objectives are among the most competitive in the job market. Entrepreneurship and innovation is another specialization gaining momentum. With the rise of startups and venture funding, there's a growing need for business leaders who can create new products, disrupt industries, and lead innovative teams. MBA programs in this area focus on startup strategy, venture capital, design thinking, and leadership in uncertain environments. Many graduates from these tracks go on to launch their own companies, while others lead innovation departments within large corporations. If you're someone who thrives on creativity and problem-solving, this specialization could be a strong fit. Let's also discuss supply chain management and logistics. Global disruptions over the past few years highlighted just how essential resilient supply chains are. Companies need leaders who can manage sourcing, production, distribution, and risk in a globalized and often unpredictable environment. An MBA in supply chain management provides skills in operation strategy, logistics technology, and global trade. Career opportunities in this field span across manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, and even humanitarian logistics. With increasing demand for efficiency and reliability, this specialization has become critical for businesses worldwide. Finance continues to hold its place as one of the most popular MBA specializations, but with a modern twist. Employers want finance professionals who are not only strong in traditional areas like investment banking, accounting, and corporate finance, but also skilled in analytics and digital tools. Many programs now combine finance with business analytics, risk management, or FinTech components, preparing graduates for leadership roles that blend strategic decision-making with financial expertise. Human resources and talent analytics is another specialization climbing in importance. The modern workplace is shifting toward hybrid models, greater diversity, equity, and inclusion, as well as employee well-being. Organizations need leaders who can manage people effectively while using data-driven insights to make workforce decisions. An MBA in human resources focuses on leadership, organizational behavior, and people analytics, preparing graduates to design policies that attract, retain, and motivate talent in a competitive job market. So, why are these particular specializations in such high demand in 2025? The answer lies in the changing business landscape. Technology is transforming industries, sustainability is driving corporate strategies, healthcare is expanding, and digital platforms are reshaping commerce. Employers need specialists who can handle complex challenges and lead with expertise. In fact, recent surveys show that students now prefer specialized MBA programs over generalist ones, seeking a strong return on investment and targeted skills that align directly with industry needs. To recap, the most in-demand MBA specializations in 2025 include artificial intelligence and data analytics, sustainability and ESG, healthcare management, financial technology, digital marketing and e-commerce, entrepreneurship and innovation, supply chain management, finance, and human resources with analytics. These fields represent the intersection of business fundamentals with the key forces shaping our world. If you're considering an MBA this year, think carefully about your interests and career goals. Ask yourself where your passion lies, which industries excite you, and what problems you want to solve. Choosing the right specialization can give you a competitive edge, open global opportunities, and prepare you to lead in a rapidly changing environment. The future of business leadership belongs to those who can combine deep expertise with broad vision. Whether it's driving digital transformation with AI, leading sustainable growth, or innovating new business models, your specialization can be the key that sets you apart. So take the time to explore these options, evaluate programs carefully, and position yourself for success in 2025 and beyond.